Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't mean nothing. Oh, it's so good to be free, yeah. No slave to society, no. I realize that to fit in is quitting on the one and only me. Oh, I'm free as me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for popping by. I've got a 12 by 16 inch deep edge canvas. The background is just colours that I've collected from runoff of other paintings that I've done. The colours I'm using are CassArt Black, CassArt White, Pebeo Studio Acrylic Metallic Silver, and I'm using string again, but this time I'm trying a different technique. This video is literally being left mainly as it happened because I wanted to show you that it's not always plain sailing. However, if you persevere and you keep going, you can get down on canvas what you envisaged in your head. I hope you enjoy it. Because I was using multiple strings, I decided the easiest way to get the paint onto the string was to put the paint in a little cup and add the strings to the paint in the cup. It was easier, I believe it saved wasted paint. The one thing I would say, if you use this method of putting the paint onto the string, make sure that you take off some of the surplus paint as you're pulling the string up through the cup. Or out of the cup. Not through the cup, out of the cup. I need more coffee.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't mean nothing. Oh, it's so good to be free, yeah. No slave to society, no. I realize that to fit in is quitting on the one and only me. Oh, I'm freest as me. I don't need the look or the trend. I'll be the least cool of my friends. You can have all that, I won't please the pack, 'cause I'm free to be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free, letting life roll with such ease, yeah. What used to cause me to stress out, I'm blessed now, 'cause that stuff don't own me. Oh, I'm finally free. I don't need the look or the trend. I'll be the least cool of my friends. You can have all that, I won't please the pack, 'cause I'm free to be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't need nothing. Oh, I'm finally free.
So it was at this point that I was kind of stuck as to where to go with this. I couldn't get my head around the next bit, and so I started playing, and then at one point it suddenly clicked on where I needed to go with it. So I had to scrape because I couldn't actually bring it back from where I'd got to at that point. So I started it again, and I'm really glad I did.
Drop your worries, pick up on this fine stream of love we're riding on. Don't believe those silly rumors, life is a chore. I'm telling you, just 5, 4, 3, 2, count it down. With me we'll blast off, and next you'll see what's behind us shrink and disappear out of view. Come on and breathe down this highway. Speed up this ride now, no trials too strong to drag us down. Breeze down this highway. We got more inside us, and this life isn't done. We got it, it's a breeze. Windows down, we're flying by, and this fresh air smells like paradise. And we got our destination right, we're all clear. Come on, just sing with me now, don't be shy. We got great tunes on and turned up high, and our hearts stocked full with all supplies we could need. Come on and breeze down this highway. Speed up this ride now, no trials too strong to drag us down with breeze.
So thinking about the old saying that goes something like, don't keep doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. You may be asking what I'm doing differently this time. I've had to go back to the beginning of the video and check myself. So apart from using a different tool to pull the string down the canvas, which honestly I don't think made a difference, I've actually spaced the string out more this time. I've put a bit more silver paint on, and possibly I had more paint on the string this time than the first time I did it. And it's those tiny little tweaks that make a huge difference, and this is where the fun is in this kind of flow art painting, is you can literally change one tiny thing and get a whole different outcome. Let me know what you think about it down at the bottom in the description comment thing. I need even more coffee, clearly.
You dear, sweet delectable, you here, you got me tingling like we're on a Ferris wheel ride. You, ooh, sweet delectable, you who came sweeping in just like you knew we were meant to unite. Is this really happening, or am I swirling through a dream? I can't believe it's happening, 'cause it's so good, it's surreal. When first, sweet delectable, you burst into my life, I hit reverse, backing straight out the door. around my fear and alarm, so I gave it a whirl. Is this really happening, or am I swirling through a dream? I can't believe it's happening, 'cause it's so good, it's surreal. Delectable wind blows. We reap the happiness we sowed with the nourishing love. You dear, sweet delectable, you here makes the perfection of life so clear.